Hey everyone, so with this video I want to give you a demo of Hue For Wear, the easiest way to control your Hue light bulbs from the comfort of your wrist. So the first thing you have to do is start the phone app to connect to your bridge. Basically this is what you're used to, so you click the plus button here to actually look for your bridge, and then you select it or you manually enter the IP address, and then you click the button on your bridge to authorize. Once you've done that, you're basically set up and you can get rid of the phone and use your Android wearable. So here I'm gonna start the Hue For Wear app, which launches us into the Hue For Wear interface. By default I have it set up to open the groups view, so here you see all my groups. And from the menu you can also switch to see all the lights. So the light over here is the dinner table light, so let me control that one. This is the basic control screen, so you can see it's on, and when I press this button, turn it off. And back on again. You can control the brightness with this dialer in the middle, and set the color temperature with the ring on the outside. So this is the warmest light, the coldest light, and everything in between. Additionally, you can press this little swatch here to toggle the color mode, and then you can just set all the cool lights that you're used to from the Hue app. So let's back out of this. You see that it updates instantly. And additionally, you can also set scenes from the Hue For Wear app. So up here you select which group to target, and then you can select all these scenes. They're pre-configured, so they're ready to use. Energize. Oh, maybe some tropical light. Now if we switch back to the lights overview, you actually see that all the lights are currently turned off. And this light is actually part of the living room group, so if I control the living room, you see that also this light updates instantly. And if we go back, the UI refreshes to show the current brightness. Finally, there are some settings. So this top one is whether you prefer to control the color or if it's off, the temperature. Let me show you real quick. So now if I go into the control screen, it instantly opens the color control mode. I prefer temperature, so let's turn it back off again. This is the ambient mode toggle. So by default this is on, and what that means is that if you're controlling your lights and you time out the screen or use the palm gesture, it doesn't kill the app, it just shows you the time and the current status of the lights. So you're only one click away of controlling your lights again. And if you turn that option off, instead of the app staying open, it will just exit back to the watch face. Here you can select the start screen of the app. So I have it set to groups, but if for example I set it to scenes, and now if I kill the app and start it again, you will see that it loads the data and then instantly opens on the scenes view. Let's set that back to groups for now, as that's the way I prefer to control my lights. And finally, if you have an Android Wear 2.0 watch and you're running a watch face that supports complication, you can actually use the Hue For Wear complications. So here I've set it up to control my living room, and if I click it, it simply toggles the light. So off, it shows off, and then when I click it in, it goes back on. Additionally, you can also see the circle around this dial actually is an indicator of the current brightness. So now it's at about 50% brightness. What is good to know, however, is that it's up to the watch face developer to decide how to display this data, so it could look very different on the watch face you chose. And if you're wondering, this watch face is called Crypto Watch. Alright, I think that's the whole tour of the app right now. I'm still actively developing the app and adding features as I see fit, so please stay tuned. And well, I hope you enjoy. Let's turn off this living room light. And I just want to say thanks for watching and enjoy.